Here's a coal mining song. It's called Coal Tattoo.